Hi, I'm Melanie. I'm the creator of this channel, and I primarily make crafts. Some of them are a little bit more intricate and may be considered a fine craft. But I have some big news, and I wanted to do the whole talking head thing to give you an idea what I'm thinking about doing. If you are interested in seeing any of these things, let me know. If not, let me know, and add it in the comments, and we'll go from there. So what I want to do is combine two of the channels, or at least maybe not totally get rid of the one channel. It's called Two Women and Tools, but mainly I want to show you some of the things that I'm doing on that channel, because a lot of those things are uniquely creative, and I think people might be interested in that. A lot of people are doing renovations on their properties, whether it's a home or they're building tiny houses, which is something I'm going to be doing, renovating things. So I want to show you my creative vision with these projects, so you'll be seeing a lot of that. So it's more in the line of renovation than it is individual crafts. I'm not going to stop doing individual crafts, but I will certainly be adding to this channel, and I hope that interests you. Let me know in the comments. It's the only way I can know whether or not these things are pleasing to you. You may be asking, why am I doing this? Well, the last festival I went to, and you've seen a lot of the things that I've made if you've watched my channel, I didn't sell a thing. Wow, ouch. That was really painful. But it made me realize, and the sales have been going down, 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 made me realize that with this present economy, it's 2023, with this present economy, buying stuff for yourself or buying crafts is like down on the list of things people want to do. So it's just so exasperating to sit there all day outside in the heat and just not happy, not selling anything. I mean, why even go to them? So that was a good question. Why am I doing this? So I decided I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm not going to be making things the way I was making them before. I'll still make things here and there, but I won't be doing it to the volume. So that's the answer to the why I'm doing renovations now instead of focusing full-time on crafts. Okay, so a little background. Well, not a lot of background, but I have 3 other YouTube channels. One is called Two Women and Tools. That's where I do a lot of my creative designs and ideas. That's what I'm going to share on this channel as well, because it's creative, and I think that's why people want to watch the channel. The other one is called Bible Truth. I'm a Christian, so this is about people doing sermons, comments from me. That's called the Handmaiden's Commentary. Sometimes there are sing-alongs, the variety of things. You might find that interesting if you're a Christian and you're interested in learning things a little bit differently. So that's that. The other channel is my personal channel. I'm a photographer. I've been a photographer since I was 17. I'll be 67 in November 23. So yeah, I've been shooting photography for a long time. So that channel kind of encompasses that. I do a couple of documentaries from some serious travels, like when I went to Africa. So that's all on my personal channel. Again, all the links will be in the description area of this channel, of this video, so that'll be below. This gives you a brief idea of what these other 3 channels look like. So let me tell you a little bit about this Two Women and Tools website that I'm going to incorporate into this channel, MH Studios, Fine Craft Designs. I mean, I've done a lot of things, you know. I've done some carving. Well, I did a carving recently of a deer head and put that into a door. So I incorporated it into a door, which I think turned out pretty cool. That's coming up, I think, in September, October. So subscribe, hit the bell button. You'll be notified if you hit the bell button and then hit the all. And you'll be notified of the videos that come out. I typically post Saturday at 5 o'clock. Sorry, so many channels, so much on my mind. The last thing that I want to add to this channel are little RV trips that I take. I will go from place to place with the RV and look for antique stores, garage sales, and look for unique things that I can incorporate and reuse in some way into these designs, these buildings, these places that I'm renovating. For example, I recently had this copper bowl. I'd say it's about, 13 inches wide at the top. Perfect shaped bowl. It's copper. It's really nice looking, but I sanded down and I drilled a hole in the bottom and I'm using it as a sink. That's a good one to watch. And there's so many other things that I've incorporated in this particular video. I think I call it something about finalized kitchenette. I should know, but I don't remember. Anyway, I hope that you see this, that it interests you, that you tell your friends, like, subscribe, help me get noticed. I am monetized, so you will be seeing ads. If you watch them all, it helps me earn a little bit of something. Believe me, it's not much, and it doesn't really pay for much, but it's kind of fun to be rewarded for a lot of hard work. And kid you not, it takes a lot of time to videotape and then edit. And but that's okay. I like doing it, so not a big deal. Anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed my videos, and I hope that this new revised channel brings even more interest to you and others that you can share it with. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.